A Chinese scientist who claims to have created the world's first genetically edited babies revealed another woman in his study is possibly pregnant. He Jiankui made his first public comments about the research at a summit in Hong Kong overnight. His work has drawn worldwide condemnation. He says it's now on hold. Our Dr. Tara Naru is here with what we're learning about the research that many experts call unethical. Tara, good morning.
Good morning, Gail. The head of the summit called Dr. He's study irresponsible. Among the concern is his lack of transparency and questions of whether his patients properly consented. But overnight, He doubled down and defended his work. Audience members applauded as scientist He Jiankui took the stage at the International Gene Editing Summit in Hong Kong Wednesday. But soon after, he was peppered with questions, many of which he appeared unable or unwilling to answer.
Their genotype may quite affect their upbringing. I don't know how to answer this question.
In videos posted to YouTube this week, He claimed he successfully edited the genetic code of twin girls while they were embryos. He says he used the gene editing tool called CRISPR to delete a gene that makes people vulnerable to HIV, the virus that causes AIDS. The embryos were then implanted into the mother.
Lulu and Lana came crying into the world as healthy as any other babies a few weeks ago.
Jennifer Doudna is a co-inventor of the CRISPR gene editing tool. She watched He speak.
I think we still need to understand the motivation for the study and what the process was for informed consent.
He said Wednesday all the couples involved in his study consented. He directed people to his website where he provided an example of the consent form, which described the study as an AIDS vaccine development project.
How did you recruit these couples into your study? HIV and AIDS volunteer group.
He says 7 couples are involved in the study. All of the fathers are HIV positive and the mothers are HIV negative. Experts say some of the risks with this particular gene editing is the possibility of contracting other viruses, such as West Nile.
The technology is not mature enough.
Dana Carroll is a professor of biochemistry. He's worried about how He's study will affect other research.
Ultimately, we want to make reproductive editing available to people who do have devastating diseases, and I just hope this doesn't set us backward.
He claims he paid for all his patients' medical treatments himself. He's under investigation by his university, the Chinese government, and the hospital he claims gave him ethical approval for the trial. He says the second potentially pregnant woman in the study is being monitored closely.
Yesterday, you brought up a lot of questions. A lot of experts agree with you today that this was not a good thing.
A lot of controversy swirling around
The
this.
technology can be good in
Yeah.
the future, but how this experiment
The secrecy, the lack of transparency.
And then he could get so far down the road in something so huge and not be stopped somehow.
That's right.
Thanks very much, Tara.